Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a sample Modbus mapping for installers who want to add the PQM1000S power quality meter to the Sungrow logger. In total, there are 21 Modbus points mapped, highlighted according to the meter Register Map version 2.0.02. If you're planning to perform the Modbus mapping for this meter, you can refer to the mapping shown in this video. This mapping is based on an actual site installation and has been updated and verified by an installer who has already completed their own project. During commissioning, we observed that the multiplier for Phase A, Phase B and Phase C active power in the register map is listed as 0.1. However, in the Sungrow logger, using a multiplier of 0.0001 provides values that match the actual readings from the meter. If you've watched this video and found that the mapping needs to be updated, I'd like to open this as a discussion. If you've done similar integrations, feel free to share your findings and multiplier settings in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.